In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link multiple credit cards to QuickBooks Online bank feed. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online company and have the login details for each credit card you want to connect. Linking your cards lets QuickBooks securely pull in recent transactions so you can categorize them faster and keep your books up to date with far less manual data entry. To get started, look at the left panel and select Accounting. This takes you to the area where your chart of accounts and bank connections live. From here, move into the Bank Transactions tab. This is the command center for your bank feeds, and it's where you'll see all connected accounts and the transactions waiting to be reviewed. In the top right, click Link Account. A search window opens with a list of financial institutions. Type the name of the credit card provider you want to connect. Spelling matters, so try the bank's common name or the card brand if you don't see it right away. When you find the right provider, click it to proceed. You'll now go through the provider's authentication process. This can vary by bank, but it typically includes entering your online banking username and password, and, in many cases, completing a verification code sent to your phone or app. Some providers will ask you to confirm which specific card accounts to share with QuickBooks. This is helpful if you have multiple cards under one login. Select the ones you want to bring into QuickBooks, then continue. Be patient while the connection is established. It may take a minute as QuickBooks securely syncs your data. Once the connection is successful, you'll be returned to the Bank Transactions tab. You should now see the newly linked credit card account listed, and transactions will begin to appear in the For Review section. From here, you can categorize and match them to your books. QuickBooks usually brings in a recent window of transactions, and new activity will update automatically going forward, so you won't need to enter those charges by hand. To link multiple credit cards, simply repeat the same process. Click Link Account, search for the next provider, and complete its authentication steps. Depending on your bank, linking the main credit card account may bring in all employee cards, or you might connect each card separately. Either way, once each card is connected, you'll see its feed in the Bank Transactions tab, ready for review. That's all. With your credit cards linked, your bookkeeping becomes faster, more accurate, and far easier to manage.